Today we live in a world full of air pollution, and it is the same inside your office. The air we breathe at office can also affect your health. Air conditioner is a part of our work life for cooling the rooms. But when anyone sneezes or cough, droplet expels from your nose and mouth. The bacteria from the sneeze or cough is drawn into the air conditioner intake. It will circulate with air in the room. When the next person comes into the room, get infected by bacteria. There are lots of harmful bacteria remain in the atmosphere circulating in air condition. So, have you disinfected your office ever? Probably never. Fog Shuddhi, a quick and easy solution for your office, disinfects all the equipment together within no time. Let's do the live test using ATP machine. Let's take samples from different surfaces before fogging, and the RLU is 205. Now let's do fogging in the office. Disinfect. It's been 1 hour now since we disinfected space, and it's time to recheck the results. And the RLU is 9 after disinfection, which is 96% disinfection.